Afternoon, guys. It is just gone 1:30 in the afternoon. Charleane, why is it the afternoon?
I don't know.
So Charleane, why is it the afternoon?
I don't know. Time slipped away.
Yeah, someone really did not want to get out of bed this morning. I don't blame her. I really didn't want to get out of bed until I had to eat anyway.
Yeah, I'm fucking starving now.
Yeah, I thought you might be. So, yeah, it's that late in the day. I'm going to try and get a little bit of painting done before we go out. Not much, just some bases.
No painting.
Just some bases.
No painting.
Charlene's going to have breakfast. Well, lunch.
I want to watch The Father of the Bride, but I can't.
I'm going to record it.
No, we've got it on DVD, so it should be fine.
Yeah.
So basically, this is my breakfast pre-lunch. I didn't have any breakfast because it's like 2 o'clock now. So this is all I've had. I've got my wholemeal bread with my bacon, which is my bacon, just the fats, all the fats removed from my bacon. And Dan's got the rest of my fat, so he's really happy. Yeah, he's really happy now. So I've got it, and then I need to go out soon as well. If you are wondering, when I have my bacon sandwich, I don't have any butter in there or any margarine. I just have bread, bacon, and smart ketchup. That is it. Because my grand's always said, because when you take out bacon, when you used to do bacon, it used to be a little bit oily. Or if you used to be done at a grill, it used to soak the margarine. So the margarine used to be like butter, and he didn't really like it that way. So I don't really like it that way either. So yeah, if you want your butter to stop melting when you take out the bacon from the grill or anything like that, don't put any butter on because it does taste nice. Okay. Be careful. Got some curries. Yeah, it's just on camera. Did you say?
Are you sure this isn't a friendship problem?
Don't even right there. You're watching kids stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. You alright, Tyler?
Me.
Leo.
It's not bad for a five.
Not gonna go bang.
This little one. The bouncing one.
Yeah, fingers out.
Okay, I'm good.
Leo, darling. It's not gonna go bang. Fingers out. Fingers out.
It's alright. It's fine.
No, it's not gonna go bang.
It's just gonna blow out.
See? No, see?
That
No
was
bang.
It's not bang ones, okay?
No bang.
Yes, guys. Sam. Sorry, I've got such bad anxiety.
Shower.
Woo! Look at that one, guys. No, that was very bright.
I'm glad it was raining.
Yeah.
Could you imagine if it wasn't? Oh, yeah.
Oh, we've got a satellite.
Let me come sit with you.
I'll go sit with mummy. I'll sit with mummy.
Or do you want me to come to you?
Can I then?
Mummy come to you?
Alright.
Come here.
You sit with Daniel.
Go sit down.
Oh, you want to sit with me, do you? Ready?
Okay?
Okay?
Yeah?
You good?
Yes, team. That was well good.
There's two.
Both ignited it.
Can you see that?
Woo!
Come on, take your fingers out. No bang.
There's not gonna be a bang. Oh, no, he hasn't got him in his age, he's put it by his fat.
Yeah, he does.
Wow.
See? Not bang.
That was a bit smoky, wasn't it?
No?
Oh, yeah.
Just four.
Dog.
You want something more awesome than that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
These ones.
Be
Careful.
Like this,
Are they wee ones?
I like that.
I don't know if I'll be. Are these about?
No, this one is the big one. This is the big one that I don't. It's called moon dust, isn't it?
Yeah.
No.
How do you know?
No, snow dust.
Snow dust. Yeah, I think it's snow dust, something like that.
I think
didn't
it's
read the
stardust
fireworks.
and a snow one.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm ready.
And that's what I looked at. It's like, what the hell is that?
Your son's been reading the fireworks.
Hmm?
He knows this one's moon dust.
Oh, right. You know
Yeah,
that,
he
yeah?
does.
You got so many fireworks,
The only
Nanny.
thing I'm a bit nervous about.
Yes,
team.
Wow, look at it.
Oh, that was a bang.
Oh.
Okay, I need to watch this.
Scarlett, go stand. Step back here though.
Good night.
You right, Elsie? Oh, hello!
That was nice.
No.
Yeah, not very good.
Go, Sam.
You good?
No, only one.
Wow!
Did you see that?
Holy crap. Do you try some of that? You have fun, baby?
Yeah, I'm having fun. You?
Yeah. So my mum's watching fireworks, as you can see. And having something to eat. Do you want jack potato, baby? There's jack potatoes here if you want them.
No, I've already had one.
Do you want another one?
Yeah, I can have another one.
I think he wants you to pick him up, Dan.
Yeah, he seems to be loving it.
What?
He seems to be loving it.
Okay, don't forget the cup off.
It's okay, just get some to eat, okay? Alright, he's right here. Have some to eat inside there. Do you want cheese on top?
How long have you got to wait?
We've got cheese right here.
Yes.
He's just eating, okay?
What?
You're right, baby.
Yeah, I'm good.
Mummy's right, okay? He's having something to eat, okay?
You mean you're going to get my green coffee thing?
You what?
Okay.
What's in the kitchen?
Oh. And they're not.
What are you finding? What are you finding, Mum?
What are they? Trainers are there, aren't they?
No. That's
what's that.
Yeah, that's what she wants. I'll stop to get it.
You right, Mum? Yeah, this is my mum. My mum. Hi! I know, it's what I do, Mum. Yeah. Watching fireworks. These chicken nuggets, are they?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I had a taste of the gluten-free hot sausages, Mum. Oh my god, I was like, oh my god, these are the best.
You want some more? There's plenty of Coke. Shane.
Shane? Yes, the Mum said there's Coke right there if you need some more.
Oh, yeah. Look.
Oh!
It's
still. Is that it? It looks like it's still going.
Oh, you've got to be careful.
That's it.
That's it.
That's a lot of smoke, isn't it?
Popcorn.
I like that one.
You're right. That's a lot, isn't it? Okay, Tanya, ready?
What ones are these? Are these a fountain?
We got Stardust.
Oh, have you?
Yeah, and I don't know what other one's called.
What's the matter, Mum?
Did you notice Stardust?
I'm not sure. Oh! Some of them you think are going to look really brilliant. They're going to last for ages.
My Stardust is coming out. My Stardust is coming out.
Yeah.
I know. Carefree.
Mummy,
Yeah, one
did you hear
bloke
that my
apparently.
Stardust has come
He
out?
wasn't allowed a Catherine anymore. Why? This year because he's the last year he's set fire to his fence.
Holy crap!
And red.
Isn't that purple as well?
Yeah.
Because I don't want him being out there when it's not when it's like this. Not when you got like.
Scarlet, the left one. The left one.
The left corner. No, next corner.
This one and... Yeah, darling, you choose. You choose one. This one. Oh,
Yeah.
you want the rocket.
Don't go.
Right, so we're doing
Okay, I'm going outside then. Sorry, this is a shame.
this one first.
Ty, do you want me to put some more fire on? Okay, fires are still going on. I've just put the fire on again because they need to be on. And then we got some fire and some fireworks.
Is that going to be the last one?
Nanny, this is my one and I get
Is it? Alright, okay, so sit back please, darling.
This is the best.
Stand up. Whoa! I must admit, I like these ones. Oh.
Is that it? Do you like them ones here, Mum?
Well, they lasted anyway. No, they're good.
It's the rocket one again.
Oh, that's mixing.
It's not that. It's that.
Just with some
Mum, yeah, look at that fire now. Tyler, is that a right fire?
Be careful, darling.
Is that all right, Tyler?
Sorry, love. Just look up. Look up. That's all we've got to do.
I'm going to send it the other way.
Oh, sorry, sweetheart. You want to sit there, do you?
She's going to send it up.
The Astro ones were like the ones that you have for little ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's the one that had the Catherine wheel in it.
Well, there were quite a few with Catherine wheels in.
Yeah, but
Audi.
as I said, yeah, but I just want, because I knew I had 3 boxes at home.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I know.
A bigger one, isn't it?
Depends how many cars.
Really small, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ah, it's the candles on fire.
Well, it's all smoky in here again.
Hold on, darling.
I think that was a challenge.
Point to it.
Someone's challenging us.
Oh, I see.
That one. Okay. I'll leave that out then. Put that here. Yeah.
Time and the next one's out.
Sit down.
Hang on.
Just sit there for a minute.
That one.
Tyler, ain't that the one that fling out the box like last time?
I think so. So I'm patting it down.
Yeah, so make sure the thing gets in.
You can be don't be careful with the fire. Yeah. Run, run.
Okay, stay still.
It's like Christmas and the fireworks.
It's a pink. It's a weather.
Woo!
Holy crap! Good morning. It is a Sunday today. It's Sunday the 5th. It's actually 5th of November. It's firework night tonight. As you'll see from yesterday's vlog, basically I had fireworks at my mum's. It was Saturday and we'd rather do it Saturday. So yeah, it's the 5th of November today. It's firework day. I'm going to be exercising today, but I need to do some stuff on the Mac first. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do some exercise now. I don't really want to. I might not do exercise, but just clean up the front room. Might do exercise tomorrow. So when I start exercising, it'll just be starting from Monday and then doing the whole week of exercise. So I might do it that way. So guys, I put Friends on. So how many of you remember me watching Friends back in the day? I was going to exercise, but I feel like I need to clean up the house more than exercise. That's what I feel. But tomorrow morning I'm going to get up and exercise, and this is what I've done. I've actually moved it so it's a lot spacious here. So that table was like long ways, now it's down there, and I feel like it's very spacious there now. So when you sit down, it's very spacious. It's not very like closed off or cramped. You can stretch your legs out. It's really nice. I think that is so good. So I just put the table there because it's just really good. I have got the heating on because it's really cold. I'm a bit cold as well. But I just need to sort out some things as well, because I feel like that is just so much better. And I feel like and I feel like that I have so much space now, so I can move around. I mean, I've got a tray here, so the only reason I have a tray down there is to take it up. Okay, so I've just done the Charlotte Crosby 3-minute belly blitz. That's what it's called, and it is. My face has gone a little bit red because of it, but I am so knackered. Literally, I'm so sweaty. But I'm gonna do it again tomorrow. I only did round 3, but exercise is still exercise, whether how many rounds it is or not. Photocopying some pieces of paper, just because they don't give the food diaries out anymore, and it really does stick in me that they've actually done that. And Dan said it might be because of the paper, and I was like, yeah, okay, I get that. I get why they've done it, but the trouble is when some people rely on them, otherwise they can't. I rely on the food diary so much because it helps me so much. And when you get told, sorry, we're not going to be doing them anymore, we can't get them out, it kind of hurts. You're kind of like, are you kidding me? You're not going to give these out anymore. Create a problem for some people who actually do like the food diaries, like myself. I love the food diaries. I rely on them. I think they're really good to use, you know. I think they're really good to kind of do everything with. I think they're just all around a good. It just helps you. I don't know if you've got the same boat as me, but I feel like when I have the food diaries, it helps me so much. I've got my lunch, and it's a jack here with, look how much salad there is. That is speed. All that is speed. And then got 2 cents for mayonnaise and a jack potato, and that is it. I've got everything there that you're ever gonna need, and it's really nice. I absolutely love it. It's good. I love how much speed I've got as well. Now, if that ain't speed, I don't know what the hell is, because I put on there, I've had like cucumber and stuff like that, and my leader still thinks it's not enough speed, which I get a little bit annoyed at. I'm like, excuse me, I need more speed than that.
Hi guys, so I'm now home. It is 5 minutes to 4. Charleane took a little bit of a nap. What time did you go to sleep?
I must have been, I didn't go to sleep that long. I started that Friends episode when I drifted off.
So about 20-30 minutes.
About 10 to 20 minutes.
Yeah, Charleane had a quick nap, about 10-20 minutes. I woke her up shortly after I got home. Well, tried to. She woke up to her phone. Bless her. But yeah, we're currently watching Carry On, Follow That Camel. So yeah, gonna have a nice chill night, and then we'll get the hard work done tomorrow.
What hard work?
I don't know, whatever hard work needs doing.
Okay. So guys, hopefully you can see me, but yeah, you probably can see that. I started to put like Christmas lights up. I had them Christmas lights over there, but these Halloween ones, these ones where the ghosts are, look so good there. So as you can see, just lights up everything. Looks really nice and it's really bright. And then I've got these ones over here that look so Christmassy, and I can't wait for Christmas. I absolutely can't wait for Christmas. I'm getting excited for Christmas, if you can't tell. Really get excited. It's a bit dark in here because Daniel's trying to sleep as well. He's trying to sleep as well. Bless him. He's trying to sleep as well. So I've got the ghost lights, and I've got these lights up here. I actually do like them along the door. They actually look really, really good along the door. So I'm really happy about that. So yeah. But I'm just so happy. But then I know when it get down here, I'll probably put a Christmas light. These are battery powered, so I'm gonna get some more battery powered and put it across this door as well. And then basically put some lights, put some like tinsel along the mirror, and put some lights, battery powered lights up there as well. So right up there, and put some fairy lights on the wall up here. So when you go down, it's really cozy. So that's what I want, and fairy lights. And then I'm thinking about putting some thing on top of there, like some tints on everything. So I'm getting so prepared for Christmas, even though it's November. I don't care, because I know, look at it, it's just really nice and pretty. It's just really nice and pretty. That's what I like. Even though they're not bright, I think they're nice. And everything is going to be battery powered, just because I don't have enough plugs in. That's why it's battery powered. So I'm just going to put you down somewhere so you can see me. You can literally see me. So just put this up. Ooh, fireworks are going up as well. But yeah, it's going to be really good. So hopefully you do like these vlogs all together. I mean, hopefully you do like that. I'm just watching Friends, and I'm really glad that I've got them up and them up. I think that looks really pretty. I think it's so pretty. But yeah, you can have if you want ghost lighting for Christmas, have it. You're celebrating people that are not with you as well, so they could be there in spirit. So it's just like that. Good morning, and it is a Monday today. It is Slimming World Day, and I'm going to Slimming World today. But I've got mince pie porridge oats in the oven, which is only 2 sins, which I am actually excited for. And I'm just going to go on my Mac and just basically get some things up on there. And yeah, so yeah, it is so sunny outside, guys. It is really sunny. This is why, see that light? That is the sun. It's so sunny out there. It's so nice and crisp out there, but it's really sunny as well. It's so sunny outside. I can't believe how sunny it is. So there you go. So yeah, I'm just going. Daniel's up as well. So my husband's up, and he's making pancakes. Well, I've got my mince pie porridge oats in the oven. They're right in there. There only do 3 of them. That's all. There's 3 of them are equal to 2 sins or 3. So it's all good. Can you get that up, please, in that sink? Yeah. And then shove it into that thing, please. Okay. Hey. Oh my god, you're wearing a different top. Why are you wearing different jeans and top? I told you I was going to wear different jeans. No, you don't have to. Okay. and that's thingy for washing. No, that was washed out. You sure? Yeah, I just washed it out. With what soap? With what water? Water and a little bit of. I'd put it upside down because there might be still soap in there, you're doing. Okay. Leave it there for a second. Hey. My husband's up. Light. Good. Hi guys. It's, what time is it? Just gone 10 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. And I'm not making pancakes yet. I'm doing washing up first. No, baby, listening. You need to wash up the pan if you're going to use it for thing, because there's egg yolk in there now. Okay. And I'm still waiting for my breakfast. Still waiting for my breakfast. Just got the same thing I was yesterday, really. Just because I'm having a bath later one tonight. And yeah, it's going to be good. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. So yeah, these are my breakfast, and it's a little bit golden on this. It's okay. It doesn't matter if they're a little bit like this. They still taste nice. But there they are. They're my mince pie porridge oats, and they're only 2 sins or 3 sins for the whole of this, and that is it. Because I used my healthy extra A and I used my healthy extra B. If you didn't use them, you would probably have it be more sins. But there we go. Breakfast. Yum 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 yum.